This is full service. What you doing? You sliding DMs?
Don't worry about my DMs right now. That's off limits.
Anyway, enough on that. Today is a good day. We are back in the shop. C10, Mr. Boomhauer. We even got Big Soupy in the house. He's doing paperwork and trying to figure out how to fix all this mess that is Hoonigan. The game plan for this episode, two things. One, want to do a little Burnyard bash preparation. So we got our event coming up on February 29th. Ken Block. Coming in hot. A lot of other special guests. It's gonna be bad. So, a few things I wanna take care of. One, I wanna put an oil cooler on the truck. Now, it doesn't run hot, but summer's about to come, and I do know that, when you beat on this thing, it starts cooking that oil. I want this engine to last. I don't wanna have any problems with it, so I gotta run a cooler. I should have done it earlier, but I didn't. But what we're gonna put on is, I got this Earl's fitting here. It's just a block mount. The LS all come with this, but this just bolts straight onto it. Just got this little Mishimoto guy who's sitting around the shop here. It's gonna work for what I need to do. And it also, the kit came with these -10 lines, which I also wrapped in Thermotech Coolit heat shield. Secondly, we are gonna be putting in a new transmission. Now, this is actually a surrogate transmission. I'm gonna pull mine, send it back to GearStar, and have it built to be able to handle roughly 1,000 wheel horsepower, 1,000 pound-feet of torque. Because I got some plans for the truck. It may include nitrous oxide. Bigfoot and Sasquatch.
He like does that arm thing.
Yeah, and then you gotta pivot with the whole body to turn and look. You can't turn the neck, you just turn.
What are you working on today, man?
Simple stuff. Cooling.
Zach, I gotta say, your journey from 2 wheels to 4 has been impressive. Long story short, Zach got on 4 wheels with this beautiful C10, put a big old V8 in it, and honestly, it's one of my personal favorite builds out here. This thing is dope, man.
Appreciate you, Ron.
Well, good shit, man. Yeah, keep cranking away.
Okay, so that plug that I was talking about, this comes right out of here, and then this adapter simply bolts right in its place. And, oh man, so it's a good thing I didn't get the huge one with the oil temp sensor because I don't think that would have fit. So yeah, that just bolts straight to the block there. Real simple stuff. Oh, what's up, Soupy?
What's up, man? What you doing?
Prepping, putting an oil cooler on.
Nice.
Would you consider this to be a smart move to try to tighten these AN lines before putting this on the block so I can actually reach it? Or am I gonna screw myself doing that?
You might, because you don't know what angle you need it at, right?
Well,
Unless you could kind of figure out the angle first.
well, I don't know. I'm gonna try it like this, and then if I screwed up, well, that's my fault. Okay, this side is all in. Let's see, you can kind of see it through there. It's up nicely, nice and snug, and it does give better clearance from the headers than I had expected, so that's good too. Yeah, I mean, glad that I insulated those, but that was the idea. Make sure that this heat, because that's pretty close up there, but we don't want any unnecessary heat just like cooking the oil, so we should be good with this Thermotech stuff. There we have it. Got the oil cooler all mounted up behind the grill. Lines run, boom, boom, boom. So we got pretty much everything off the truck and ready for the trains to come out. We're just down to the last few bolts. Obviously had to take the headers off, take all the exhaust off, the drive shaft, and also the starter so we can get to the torque converter there. Obviously, lifting a transmission up, not an easy job when you're by yourself. So I'm actually gonna enlist the help of a few gentlemen that are here right now. Come on. Hey man, some of y'all want to lend a hand swapping a trans on a truck?
Sure.
You guys know truck stuff?
It better be a square body.
Yeah, it better be.
Yeah, it's like that.
We do have a Ford guy on our hands.
Oh, you stay out here with the pizza. But everybody introduce yourselves one by one.
Parker Hasher.
And what you do?
Crew chief of Gravedigger, monster truck.
Right on.
Andy Baldwin, crew guy, grave digger, son of a digger.
David Stansel, son of a digger.
Ford guy.
Yep. Yeah, Ford guy. I'm Ryan Anderson, driver of Something Digger. These guys are rad. They try to act like they're not, but crew chief, honestly, like these are the 3 best crew guys there are, and they're all 3 on our team because not only do we have my truck in the trailer, we got a Gravedigger in there as well. So every time, both trucks are tore up, and these dudes put it back together. So they try to act like, hey, it's me. No, these dudes are freaking ridiculous. So yeah, transmission change is about to go down.
I feel bad for you guys, man. You guys gotta rebuild everything always.
I'm Dan.
Hi, hey, what's up, Dan?
Also a mechanic now on Son-uva Digger, so.
So in that case, y'all know that's why Dan hasn't been here, because he's doing monster truck stuff now, and he's better than us.
Yeah, right. I couldn't even deal with one of those wheels. If it fell over, you'd never see me again. It's the first time I'm not doing anything.
It's great.
This is really good.
That's what the best part about these guys is they can't help but do this because it's like their daily. They thrive on this, but also not to mention it's like 40 days straight we've been on the road, and they have done nothing but work on monster trucks.
You want to see something else?
Now they got something else. Yeah.
Zach.
Yeah.
Is this the point where you turn into hurt? You get real professionals to work on your stuff?
No.
But you're actually working on it.
These are real professionals.
There's a difference there.
There is a difference there.
I mean, I don't think they would want to do it. Or I don't think they would do this if they didn't want to.
Right? No, we're here.
Say yes.
Yes, we like it. We're here.
Yes.
Anything to do with square bodies, Chevys, we love it.
How you doing there, Ryan? You feeling good?
I'm doing good, man.
Great.
I'm finding a good spot.
Can I get you a refreshment?
I'm still feeling out my leaning spot.
There's nothing really too nice to lean on this truck. It actually doesn't like to sit on the lift very well.
I like that. Everything's gonna be a little sketchy.
Yeah. Do we put a timer on this?
For what?
Is this out and in?
You've been rolling this all the time?
Yeah.
I'll just put a little stopwatch.
Stopwatch on the bottom.
So in our monster trucks, we can actually swap a transmission in under 20 minutes. Obviously, it's a little bit more exposed and easy to get to, but yeah, under 20 minutes. I think the record is like a 13-minute transmission swap.
Jeez.
I mean, definitely all hands on deck. We got
Yeah.
piles and piles of people, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. Not as easy as doing this, but I know these guys are like drooling to like get it done fast.
Just do something else other than monster trucks.
Yeah.
You got 3, right?
Yeah. No, I got.
You say 2 off or 3 off?
I got 2, and then I got the.
Good job, Zach.
Good job, buddy.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, boys. I did great.
Great job.
You didn't forget anything, so you did great.
We're already set in here?
Yeah, man. Ready to go.
Sweet.
Your transmission box is way cooler than ours, dude.
So this is just, I mean, this is basically the same transmission I got.
Yeah.
They just had it on deck, and they wanted to actually pull that one open, go through it, and then rebuild it to be able to handle 1,000 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque. This will handle, I think it's like 700 or 800 pound-feet of torque, but this is just a loaner for the time being.
I've never had to stand around with my arms crossed.
What do you?
This is full service.
Let's check out this block.
It's even got a hole.
Block breakdown.
Dude, I mean, the bore job's nice. It would be a pretty nice Pinewood with every car.
Yeah, you can get a weight in there.
Did you ever mess with CO2 cars?
Yeah.
We're gonna put this trans in now.
We're clear? Okay. Grab them bag of bolts.
This is great.
Yeah. It's fun to watch. It's fun for me too. I'm just watching.
Hey man, I'm gonna need your guys here for a little while to rewire this truck and then build a chassis.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Alright, torque spec. Hey. Alright, well, that was about 30 minutes.
So there you have it. The boys came, helped me get the trans in. Could not have done it that fast without them. Thankfully they were here. Good old Carolina boys are always willing to help, especially on old trucks. So if you haven't already, check out the VHS episode we've got with Ryan Anderson and the team doing something that you're normally not supposed to be doing in monster trucks. C10's prepped for the Burnyard. Ready to go. Ready to burn some tires.
Hey man, I'm an editor, right? Not even supposed to be here.
Yeah. Zach's an editor.
Hey, you
Look at the arm pumped up.
pipe, man.
Get that
He's
pump.
tired right now.
Pump.